Greetings to all. Welcome back to your social studies class. Today, let's discuss about plant life and animal life of Saudi Arabia. Plant life. As Saudi Arabia receives very little rainfall, the soil is not fertile here. Very few plants grow in the desert. They are cacti, thorny bushes and shrubs. The date palm trees are the only trees which grow easily in this region near the oasis. Students, please remember, the plants and trees found in the deserts have long roots that go deep into the earth in search of water. The stems of these plants are fleshy and can store water. Leaves are modified into thorns to prevent the loss of water. Agriculture is done in a very limited area as water for irrigation comes by desalting salt water. Desalting means a process to remove salt from the sea water. Major crops grown by the farmers are wheat, alfalfa, maize, and many more. Now children, animal life. The animals that can survive in extreme hot climate and scarcity of water and food for a long time are found in the deserts. Students, do you know which animal is called the sheep of the desert? Yes, the camels are called the sheep of the desert because they can live without food and water for many days, and they can also walk easily on the desert sand. Please remember, camels can store water in their stomach and fats in their hump for long time. Other than camels, Arabian horses, jackals, wolves, hyenas, pigeons, quails, flamingos, pelicans are quite common in the deserts. Natural resources. Saudi Arabia has rich deposits of mineral resources. Petroleum is the chief natural resource found in Saudi Arabia. 1/5 of the total petroleum of the world is in Saudi Arabia. Petroleum is also known as liquid gold. Students, please remember, Saudi Arabia is the second largest producer of petroleum after Russia. Saudi Arabia is the largest exporter of petroleum in the world. The country also has large deposits of gold, silver, copper, and zinc. It exports platinum, chrome, titanium, and precious stones to different parts of the world. Now, transportation and communication. Saudi Arabia has excellent networks of roadways, railways, and airways. Riyadh, Jeddah, and Dhahran are connected to the major cities of the world through airways. Dammam, Jeddah, and Yanbu are the main seaports of Saudi Arabia. Now, let's learn about important cities of Saudi Arabia. Riyadh. Riyadh is the capital and the biggest city of Saudi Arabia. It is a modern, well-planned city with huge skyscrapers, parks, gardens, and oil refineries. Next is Jeddah. Jeddah is the biggest seaport of Saudi Arabia. It is the gateway to the Muslim holy centers, Mecca and Medina. People from all over the world come here to go to Mecca. King Abdul Aziz International Airport in Jeddah is one of the largest airports in the world. Next, Mecca and Medina. Mecca and Medina are the holiest places for Muslims. Students, please remember, Mecca is the birthplace of Prophet Muhammad, the founder of the Islam religion. Every year, thousands of Muslims from all over the world come here for the annual pilgrimage called Hajj. That's all for the day. Thank you.